Wadhi nyime gi wechegi kama komiti mar od bura marango weche thieth oramo ni gidhi chako nonro makende marango chenro madhi nyime okumba mar thieth mar NHIF. Ma bang' apisa mag NHIF rem chwalo lipode mane dwarore e nyim komiti no kendo rem golo gik ma omiyo gisebedo ka kata ka gioro omenda ne osiptende e wang' sam. Giko dwe mar abich riwruok mar ute thieth matiyo gwenge ne ondiko oboke ne NHIF ni ogibi chiwo thieth ne jotuo matiyo kod kadi mar NHIF kaluwore ni NHIF ne orem chwalo omenda e wang' sam.
So those 2 years, the fund made a surplus after tax. So from layman, a surplus means you made more money than the claims. Of 6 billion. So why are we unable to pay? If we are even making a surplus, why are we unable to pay? And then looking at your statement, you have a surplus. In one ad, you are unable to pay. In one ad, you are investing in shares. In another ad, you are giving hospitals loans. Like I can see you give even MTLH loan. We have so many investment portfolios for shares in banks and all over. What is priority? What is the comma date? Why should NHIF make a surplus, even have money to invest in shares, have money to give loans to hospitals, and then don't have money to reimburse hospitals?
These people, my mom is undergoing cancer treatment. We request for pre-authorization. We were denied by an institution that is having 37 billion in its books, or has this money been siphoned out of NHIF?
Okay.
These are not questions we can get on this table. I am suggesting we go into a full inquiry into the affairs of NHIF.
The committee will sit down, discuss its terms of reference, and to open an inquiry. Because Kenyans cannot be fleeced of their contributions. This committee will not watch as individuals within the NHIF mismanage the public money. NHIF is one of the key institutions that this government intends to deliver on its universal health care. And as a committee, we'll ensure that we hold the NHIF accountable for that.